project, we present the project, and lucky enough, out of 21 schools from different counties, we were #1 from Dadaab. Another thing, let me go directly to my project, and we were 4 girls, there were no boys. And the project is about preservation of mangoes, and that's it's beneficial for us because we are from semi-arid and arid places. And preservation of mangoes using aloe vera gel. You know aloe vera gel? Yes. Yeah. And actually, we have done that project in front of the people, and lucky enough, that project was very important and essential. We came out the acknowledgement, the procedure of using that aloe vera gel. The aloe vera gel used to go and extract using mortar and pestle. You crush. Yeah, using mortar and pestle. You know mortar and pestle. Yeah.